So this is 3D printed, and it is born, in fact, in a 3D printer, because it comes out in one piece. It works in a way that a thin layer of nylon powder is spread out over a plane, and then a laser melts some parts together. Then again a layer of nylon powder, layer by layer, and it ends up with a box full of nylon powder. And this thing is in there, and you just have to blow the powder away, and then it walks over the table. So you can imagine, this was quite a miracle for me to see this, because after 4.5 billion years of evolution, we have a new way of reproduction. You can put a DNA code of zeros and ones on the internet, and these beasts are printed down on all sides of the world, so they're appearing everywhere. And it's totally out of hand, because this, what you see here, is in fact a mutant. It doesn't use my DNA code. It's made by a guy in Amsterdam called and he made his own DNA code. And I must say, it looks quite nice. It might mean that it's getting more descendants on the internet than my beast. So it's totally out of control what's happening now. There's a really new evolution going on, and I see it as really life.